Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 697. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every single day. If you don't know how to use this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investing tab. We have stocks and Bitcoin up at the top. We want to be on the Bitcoin section. You can see I own $2,440 worth of Bitcoin. The current Bitcoin price is $29,348, up almost 3% today, up 21% on the week, up 55% on the month, and 306% on the year. So a pretty crazy run here towards the end of the year. Also, today is Friday, January 1st, 2021. So happy new year. Let's go ahead and scroll down here, see if there's any news. Crypto stocks soar amid Bitcoin rally. So there's some companies investing and doing stuff with Bitcoin, their cryptocurrencies, and it appears that their stocks seem to be doing well. Not much news besides that. You can see that my Bitcoin owned is 0.0831, and you can see under activity that I've been purchasing $1 every day. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, tap confirm. And just like that, we've added more Bitcoin to our balance. Let's scroll down here. You can see I now own 0.08318. So it just added a little bit more there. Slowly building our balance. So let's go ahead and do the math on this real quick. $2,436, 2436 divided by 697 days equals a 3.49x on our investment. So almost 3.5. What that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $3.49. So Bitcoin obviously did extremely well in 2020, as you can see here. I still expect a little bit of a pullback at some point. I don't know when that will happen, but it's gonna happen eventually. It always goes up and down a little bit, but I also expect 2021 to be a very strong year for Bitcoin. So we'll just have to wait and see how it pans out. I also have lots of other apps and tutorials coming for the Bitcoin space. Lots of cool stuff that I'm finding. So definitely subscribe for that. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Also drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.